Welcome to this Property Nest walkthrough. In this video, I'll guide you through the key features of the shopping basket and payment gateway. Once you've selected how you'd like to advertise your property, you'll be taken to the shopping basket. This is where you can review your selected advertising option, whether it's a standard listing, a homepage featured listing, or an area featured listing. On this page, you'll see a clear order summary, showing exactly what you're paying for, with no hidden fees or surprises. From the shopping basket, you can also access your invoices and previous orders, making it easy to keep track of your payments at any time. When you're ready, simply proceed to the secure payment gateway. Here, you'll be able to choose from the available payment options and complete your transactions safely and quickly. Once payment is successful, your property listing is finalized and will go live on Property Nest according to the option you selected. Simple, transparent, and fully under your control. Payment reminders and subscription expiry. As a subscriber, you will receive automated payment reminders to help you manage your subscription or featured listings. 7 days before your subscription or featured listing expires. 3 days a final reminder before your subscription or featured listing expires. If your subscription or featured listing is not renewed by the expiry date, it will automatically lapse. Once expired, your listings will no longer be visible on Property Nest. Reactivating your subscription or featured listing. To reactivate your subscription or featured listing, simply proceed to the payment gateway and pay the applicable fee. Once payment is completed, your subscription or featured listing will be reactivated immediately. Please note that you will not need to reload any of your existing listings. Property Nest. Sell. Buy. Sorted.